I'm sure you've seen on social media and in political circles na you've had a lot of comments about how some of the senator judges, the actions of some senator judges even after the session of the impeachment court. For example, you had two senator judges who went with the vice president to Kuala Lumpur, and there was even an endorsement of the vice president's presidential candidacy in 2028. That's all on record kasi yung nag-post ng video si Robin Padilla. So may mga ganun. I'm wondering kung yan ba'y pinapayagan? Let me put it that way, para politically neutral. Yan ba'y pwede?
Katulad po sinabi ng presiding officer, no, alam naman po ng ating mga senator judges yung oath na tinake po nila.
Opo.
Hindi po policy ni presiding officer Escudero na mag-move po o siya mismo yung magsabi po doon sa mga senator judges, this being recognized by him as a political process. So kung ano pong aksyon ng mga senator judges, sila na po yung mag-handle ng consequences of their actions at pati criticism po ng mga tao sa kanila because matatanda na rin po sila and they are politically savvy supposedly. So because this is a political process, the public also has the right to criticize the actions of the senator judges. As to the end goal naman po on whether to inhibit or recusal, of course, hindi po rin natin tinitingnan yon dahil it might pose again a legal issue as to na para mapabagal na naman po yung proseso ng pagprepresenta ng ebidensya kung ito na naman po ay pagtatalunan sa floor ng ating impeachment court senator judges. So yun po yung medyo tricky balancing act na kailangan gawin po ng lahat po ng mga litigants dito pati po ng impeachment court. Kasi po, syempre, alam naman natin ng mga panawagan mula sa mga publiko na dapat magpatuloy at kung meron po silang agam-agam doon sa mga aksyon ng senator judges, then I think since this is a political process, then the accountability should come to the senator judges in the next election. But as to punishing the senator judges, wala po nakalagay sa Senate rules kung ano po yung maipapataw na penalty doon po sa mga hukom pong yun.